Hello everyone. Let's start thinking about chapter 15, which is on equilibrium. This chapter lays the groundwork for many subsequent chapters, so it's good to have a strong sense of what's going on in this chapter. So we're first going to look at section 1 in your textbook, and this is just the concept of equilibrium. The main idea in this section is that of dynamic equilibrium. Okay. Dynamic equilibrium states that the rate of a forward reaction is equal to the rate of the reverse reaction. So if you have a reaction A forming B, the rate forming product B is equal to the rate of that, where the product B goes to form A. And we use the double arrows, so a better representation of this reaction that has an equilibrium is A in equilibrium with B. So we use the equilibrium arrows. The other important concept that relates to what we just said about dynamic equilibrium is that how we relate rate and time. And so we saw this in the last chapter, where we have the rate for the formation of products for the forward reaction may look something like this, whereas the rate for the products forming reactants may look something like this. But the main idea is that after some point in time where these two lines overlap, we have dynamic equilibrium. And at that point, the rate of formation of products is equal to the rate of formation of reactants.